Yo, what's up YouTube? This is a song for a very special 4-year-old out there. His name is King Law and he goes by the name of Spoon. His auntie requested that I sing this song for him, and because he doesn't believe that she knows me, which is really funny because I'm not like this big old celebrity or anything. I'm just regular Des. So yeah, Spoon, I know your auntie. She's really cool. So yeah, this was a request. I don't really do requests because I'm really not that great to be doing requests, but this is an exception because, well, Dessarina loves the children. Yeah. So I hope you like this. It's the same key, same chord, same chords and keys to the last birthday song, and this is just like Happy Birthday Part 2. So I hope you like it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, King Law, aka Spoon. Your favorite auntie, her name is Sunny. She asked me to sing this for you, cause it's your birthday, you're 4 years old, and look, that's 2 plus 2. I heard you play football and you like Transformers too. Don't be a Decepticon, cause Optimus Prime says it's cool to stay in school. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, King Law, aka Spoon. You're 4 years old now, I bet you like ice cream and candy and pizza too. And since you're small and you're probably like 5, piece of poo inside being eat too. So listen to mommy and listen to daddy and your auntie Sunny too. Stay away from the girls, or mommy and daddy and Sunny finna sasa you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, King Law, aka Spoon. So I hope you know Sunny, your favorite auntie, she wasn't lying to you. We know each other from another mother, and yeah, she's very cool. I hope you got plenty of love and toys and clothes on your birthday. Now be a good boy, I hope to meet you and maybe eat some cake someday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, King Law, aka Spoon. Happy birthday, happy birthday, cause it's your birthday. Yeah. Sorry about that last note. I'm feeling kind of hoarse and dry because I've been singing this all night. But yeah, happy birthday to you, cause you're a great kid, and I hope you do really good in school. So eat your vegetables and your fruits and brush your teeth and take showers and, you know, all those good things that kids do at 4 years old. Yeah, share food with your brothers and your sisters if you have any, and for sure share with your auntie Sunny. Yeah. Okay, well, this includes the song, or concludes the song, and I hope you enjoyed it.